A set of all natural numbers is formed such that the elements of the set are neither perfect squares nor perfect cubes nor the fourth powers of any natural number. The elements of the set are arranged in an ascending order. What will be the 2023rd element of the set? So let's just write all the natural numbers from 1 till 2023, right? So I'm writing the positions here. This is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position, fourth position, right? And somewhere here would be 2023rd position, right? Now I know if I write all the natural numbers right from 1 till 2023, so first position would be occupied by 1, and then on second position is 2, third position is 3, fourth position is 4, and on 2023rd position I have a number 2023. Now what is given in this question, that we have to subtract all the perfect squares, all the perfect cubes, and all the fourth powers of any natural number. Then we have to find what number comes in this position or in this box, right? For example, I know 1 is a perfect square, right? If I delete 1 from this series, if I delete 1, I know uh, this box will be replaced by 2, right? And all these number will be shifted 1 unit leftwards, right? 2 will occupy this position, 3 will occupy this position, 4 will occupy this position. Or if I subtract one number from this series, I know the value inside this box will increase by 1, right? So it become how much? 2024 in case if I delete just one number from this series. So we have to find just that how many numbers have are we have deleted from this series to know the value of 2023rd element of this set, right? So first of all, let's just find the number of perfect squares from 1 till 2023. So perfect squares are I know 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, and I know up till 2025, I know 45 square is 2025. Yes, 5 square 4 into 5, and 44 square is 1936. So I know if I subtract all the perfect square from 1 till 2023, I have to subtract these 44 perfect square, right? These are 44 perfect square of natural numbers, right? So these are 44s in count. Next, I have to count perfect cubes. Perfect cubes. Perfect cubes are how much? One cube is one. I know two cube is eight, right? And up till uh, perfect cube till 2023 would be, I know 12 cube. 12 cube is 1728, right? And I know 13 cube is 2197, but it is much higher value than 2023, right? If I have to subtract the perfect cubes, we have to take these numbers, right? And these are 12 in numbers, 1 cube, 2 cube, and 12 cubes. So perfect cubes are 12, which we have deleted from this series. Also, just take in account one thing, we have to delete all the fourth powers also. But these perfect squares have already taken care of these fourth powers, right? Because for example, if I am talking about 2 raised to the power 4, right, it is already covered in perfect squares, right? 2 raised to the power 4 is what? It is 4 square only, right? 16. So we have deleted this number 4 square. So we don't have to take separate these fourth powers, right? Now only thing is, if I subtract one number is already uh, already there, which is common to both these series, right? Perfect square 1 and perfect cube 1. is number both these numbers are same. I have subtracted these both these numbers twice. We have to we have added actually. I was counting these numbers. These are 44 numbers, these are 12 numbers, so I've counted this one twice, right? And similarly, as one, how many numbers are there which are perfect square and perfect cube also? So these are perfect, or 6 powers, right? Power 6. Power 6. Power 6 means these numbers are perfect squares and perfect cube also, right? So how many such numbers are there till 2023? 1 cube is 1 raised to the power 6 is there. 2 raised to the power 6 is what? I know 2 raised to the power 5 is 32, 6 is 64, and 3 raised to the power 6 is 3 raised to the power 4 is 81 into 9, 729. Because if I write 4 raised to the power 6, it becomes 4096. So we have to, you know, subtract these numbers, or the addition of these two numbers is 56, right? And we have counted these three numbers twice, so we have to subtract these three numbers. What do I get? 56 minus 3 is 53, right? And we already know, if I delete one number, this the value inside this box increase by 1. If I've deleted 53 numbers, the value inside this box will increase by how much? Will increase by 53 numbers, right? 53. So how much is this? 2023 plus 53, it become 20, 5 and 2 7, and 3 and 3 6. If I write 2076, my answer would be wrong, because I have missed one important number, which is 2025. I know, if I delete any two or if I delete first two perfect squares, 1 and 4, if I delete two perfect squares, number here become 2025, right? So we have to take in account this number also. So we have to subtract one number also. So this number 2076, so this value would increase by plus 1. Why? Because 2025 is a perfect square, we have to take care of this perfect square also. So the number inside this box would become 2077, right? So correct answer to this question is 2077.